Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to Think Big Digital. In today's video, we're gonna discuss how to export Google Forms to Google Sheets. So without any overdue, let's dive right into the video. For that, we have a blank quiz open on Google Forms. So basically, we're going to open responses, and here you can already see an option called link to sheets. So we are going to select that, and then we are basically going to create a new spreadsheet. And there is also an option to actually add it to an existing spreadsheet. So basically I don't have an existing spreadsheet, so I'm going to create a new spreadsheet. So I'm going to select create, and then it will automatically create a new spreadsheet for the responses that we received from the question in the Google form. So here you can see the time when the response was given and the correct answer of the question. You can also see that you can also see this part is blank because I didn't answer that question. That's why this part is showing blank. But if you really answered it with a paragraph, then that paragraph would show up here. And also it is going to give us the remarks. That means we got 1 out of 6. Basically we answered one question out of those 2 questions which had 1 mark and 5 marks. So this is it for today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you have any queries regarding this topic, you can comment down below and we will be glad to help you guys. If you want to see more of us on your newsfeed, then you can subscribe to our channel, and we will see you guys in the next video.